My name is Makoto Shibutani, and I'm the Clinical Development and Services Director for People's Care Behavioral Health. We invite you to get to know more about People's Care Behavioral Health. Well, I know a lot of people start the ABA career from different backgrounds, and I'm not an exception. I studied art prior to working as a behavior therapist. When I started in this field, I wanted to make sure that I was providing professional services, so I decided to go back to school to study for BCBA. It wasn't easy, but it was definitely worth it. I feel that the time that I spent studying is now applied in my work with the individuals that I serve. To me, it means sincere care, thinking what we can do as if it was our own child, imagining what parents may be going through, advocating what the child is trying to communicate. I want to be excited with them. I believe the quality of service comes from sincere care. Well, I'm not sure if we need to be different from other providers, but I think we should always know what is the right thing to do. We want to do the right thing for our clients and our therapists. I think all providers should be doing this, and I believe that this is going to make the company greater. When I started the ABA therapy 18 years ago, it was a lot more rigid and science-oriented. We don't work in the lab. We work with human beings in their homes. The ABA therapy became friendlier and more client-centered, while the fundamental philosophy of ABA remained the same. I think the future ABA will continue evolving and include the ideas and the requests of the individual that we serve. "16 years ago, I worked with individuals that struggled to speak. I created various teaching materials and practiced vocalizations to teach him how to communicate. He often threw a tantrum when I didn't understand what he wanted or what he needed. I always told him, we can do this, we got this, and kept working together. It's been 16 years now. I recently met him, and then he said to me, 'We did this, thank you for helping me.' And this really made me feel that I'm glad that I was a part of his success." Well, I know there are a lot of things people like to say about the ABA, but I want to keep it simple. I like to say that this may be a very challenging moment, but we'd like to help you. There will be ups and downs, but we'd like to do our best. You are not alone.